Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can add border or frame in shapes on shapes in Canva. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are on Canva. So let me put one shape here. So I just go to the elements and search for shapes. So here we have shapes. Go to the see all and select your shape like this. Okay, so we have shape now. So select your shapes and here you can see this option called stroke style. Just increase it. So increase your that width. Okay, like this. Here we can also style. You can select dot dash dash style. There is a different style you can select, or you can keep it blank, plain style. Okay, increase the width. Okay, now from here you can change color also. You can change with any color like this. Okay, so that is how we can add the border or frame on Canva on shapes. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.